This is a Viking Ranger that I got a number of years ago from a friend, a very active ham, took very nice care of his equipment. And it was operating when I got it. I'm not going to try to key it up, but I did plug it in. All the tubes light up. And like I said, that's as far as I'm going to go. It looks beautiful. I didn't do any cleaning. This is the way I got it. It's been in my storage area for a number of years. And we'll look at the underneath side as well. Here's the underneath side. Pretty clean. Very clean, in fact. Everything seems to work. And like I said, that's about all I can do in terms of, I don't want to fire it up. I don't have the proper equipment to really test it in that regard. You see a couple of Drake twins back there. I'm going to sell those too, but right now I'm dealing with this Ranger.